A controversial case unveiled. John Bolton's indictment and its unique circumstances. In the ongoing saga of President Trump's critics, the case against John Bolton stands out as particularly intriguing and complex. While Trump's desire to see his critics investigated is no secret, the charges against Bolton carry a different weight, according to legal experts. The Bolton case, a closer look. Former National Security Advisor John Bolton has found himself in the crosshairs of a criminal indictment, accused of mishandling classified information. This indictment, say experts, is distinct from those brought against other Trump critics like James Comey and Letitia James. Bolton's alleged actions, which include improperly retaining and transmitting classified information to family members via insecure channels like AOL, are said to have put the country at risk. Some of these documents were labeled top secret, adding to the gravity of the charges. The indictment further alleges that a hacker gained access to Bolton's account, threatening to cause a scandal akin to the Hillary Clinton email leak. Bolton has pleaded not guilty to 18 separate charges, each detailing instances of alleged mishandling. A political move or a legitimate case? The timing of Bolton's indictment, following those of Comey and James, has sparked debates about political influence on the justice system. Trump's past comments suggesting Bolton belonged in jail add fuel to these discussions. However, legal experts like Jamil Jaffer argue that if the Justice Department can prove the alleged facts and demonstrate proper classification of the information, Bolton's conduct may indeed have violated the law. This case, they say, appears stronger than those against Comey and James, with more serious allegations and a longer duration of alleged misconduct. Similarities to Trump and Biden. Bolton's case shares similarities with investigations into Trump and Biden's handling of classified documents. Both Trump and Biden faced allegations of improperly storing classified information, but neither was criminally charged. Bolton's case, like theirs, will require the government to prove that he knew the information was classified and that he knowingly transferred it to unauthorized individuals. A traditional prosecution? The process by which the Justice Department brought this case will be closely examined, especially given Trump's public calls for the prosecution of his opponents. However, experts like Mark Lesko suggest that in Bolton's case, prosecutors seem to have adhered to protocol, following the regular process and norms within the Department of Justice. Bolton's indictment, unlike Comey's brief document, is a more traditional and detailed account, setting forth the facts and circumstances clearly. This consistency with past cases involving government officials and classified material adds another layer of complexity to the Bolton case. And the controversy continues. So is this a case of political retribution or a legitimate prosecution? The lines are blurred and the debate is sure to continue. What are your thoughts? Do you see this as a fair prosecution, or is it a politically motivated move? We'd love to hear your opinions in the comments.